Hello, I'm Steve Floyd, Business Development at InterConnect Wiring, where connections matter. In this final video for 2025, we're going to be wrapping up by talking about all of our notable achievements and milestones that we've made in this year of 2025. Let's dive right in. This year, InterConnect Wiring strengthened our role across the fighter aircraft landscape, from expanding F-16 production support to increasing capabilities for the H-1 program. This also included opening new doors for potential future fifth-generation fighter opportunities. 2025 positioned us as a go-to electrical systems partner for OEMs and depots worldwide. Some of our most notable 2025 achievements for growth and new business wins were our first official contract with Northrop Grumman Corporation, where we were able to maintain and achieve 100% on-time delivery and 100% quality. InterConnect Wiring also received its first ever sheet metal shop contract to support the F-16 program internationally. In 2025, InterConnect Wiring won its largest, most single contract in the history of its 33-year existence from Lockheed Martin Corporation to support the F-16 fighter. In 2025, our teams broke multiple company records goals, including monthly revenue, contract award, first article completion, and achieving the largest contract from any single customer in the 33-year history of InterConnect Wiring. We implemented new process efficiencies, updated workstations, and continued our commitment to manufacturing quality products. At InterConnect, excellence isn't an act, it is our culture. At InterConnect Wiring, we invest in the future. This year, we enhanced our in-house machining and testing capability, expanded digital documentation tools, and continued developing next-generation training for our workforce. These improvements ensure that we stay ahead of the needs of modern aircraft and our customers. We made many enhancements to bolster the bid system and all of its associated processes. We incorporated new cybersecurity training as InterConnect Wiring completed its CMMC Level 2 compliance and everything that entails, including but not limited to handling CUI or controlled unclassified information. One of InterConnect Wiring's most proud moment of 2025 was its grand opening of our sheet metal and machine shop. InterConnect Wiring invested resources and capital into ensuring the success of its sheet metal and machine shop. During our grand opening, we were able to allow customers to come in and suppliers to view all of our sheet metal shop and its associated equipment and technology. None of our success happens without our people. Our teams proved once again that InterConnect's greatest strength is its workforce, dedicated, skilled, and passionate about supporting the warfighter. We also continued our annual tradition of giving back to our community here in Fort Worth with our toy drive and food drive. Now I'm joined here by our president, Joshua Bryant. So how are you doing today, sir?
Great.
Good. He's here to answer one question that we have for him. In the year 2025, taking a look back at all the milestones and achievements that we've made throughout the year, from new production to process improvements, what would you say is the most notable, and why is that extremely important for the future of InterConnect Wiring?
Yeah, great question, Steve. 2025 has been a year of outstanding growth for us in many ways. One, it's just the volume that we produce. Two, our sheet metal shop we opened this year, which has been a great addition to our capabilities.
Yeah, definitely.
As we look at both of those, we've really set ourselves up for expansion as we move into 26 to really service our clients in a good way.
Yeah. And now I'm joined by engineering manager Mike Janney. Mike Janney has been here at InterConnect Wiring for 30 years. How you doing today, Mike?
Great, Steve. How about you?
Good. So I'm going around asking everyone today, in the year 2025, can you share with me some of your team's most notable achievements and accomplishments for the year.
Oh, sure, Steve, I'd love to. I think one of the major accomplishments that we did in 2025 was we started down the path of putting in a paint booth, a mixed room and a paint booth here.
Yeah.
And so we actually started in 2024 when we let out the contract for that and took delivery of it in the beginning part of 2025, and through the process of attaining the necessary TCEQ permits, air permits, and getting a construction permit to install it, getting that signed off, getting the fire department's approval, and to actually paint a part this year has been putting the final capstone on the end of the journey, to be able to say that we actually started and finished a piece, and we got paint to here and it looks great.
Incredible milestone, Mike. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you too, Steve.
2025 was a year defined by excellence. 2026, we're just getting started. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our website for more.